Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been having a lot of fun doing all these different level 40 Jurassic World the Game dinosaurs, and today I want to show you guys how to make a flying one. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a level 40 pteranodon. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to begin with the eye. I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to just make a little line that goes down, and it's going to come up like this in a little check mark shape. Next I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up like this for the eye, with a little line or two underneath here. Now I'm going to start here by making a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to bring this down to about here. Then we're going to bring it up like this for the beak. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And I'm going to bring it up. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and back for the tongue. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to run right across the edge here, and then we're just going to bring it back here. And I'm going to bring this up. Next, we're going to jump back up here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up here, and then it's going to come down. Once I get to about here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then in for a little like spike. Another line's going to go down, I'm going to go out and then back in for another spike. Starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and it's going to come in for the side of the face, and then we're just going to connect it to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, and then another little line that goes down, and then one more here for the neck. Right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then I'm going to bring it up to here. Bring it up a little farther, and I'm going to add a little line that curves down for a claw. One more here, and then one more right there. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to come down and then back up like this. Next I'm going to start over here, I'm going to do the same thing, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. I'm going to curve it down for a claw, curve it down for another claw, and then one more here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down like this. We're going to bring it up. It's going to go up and back to here. Then I'm going to curve it right to here. And then I'm going to make a line that comes down here, and then another line that comes down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up. And then it's going to curve down to here. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to go up, and then we're going to curve it down to here. I'm going to bring some lines down here. Right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come back down for the leg. We're going to make a little claw mark here. One more that goes down and up, and then one more right here. It's going to come up, and we're going to go up like this. I want to make a line up to here. I'm going to draw a little line that comes down for the tail. And then right here I'm going to make another little line that goes down and back. I'm going to bring it down here. Make a little claw mark here, one more here, and then one more right here. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and then we're going to bring it up to here. And I'm going to continue this right up to here for kind of like where the body, like this is going to be part of the wing over here. So now we've got our basic shape of our level 40 Pteranodon. Now we need to come in here and add some of the details. I'm going to begin up here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve around here. Then I'm going to go up and then curve it back down. Make another line right up here, and we're going to make another little line that goes up and down over here. I'll make some long kind of lines going down here, and then a couple more little lines over here by the face. Make some lines go right around the edge here just to kind of show some detail and texture. And a little line or two up here. I want to make some lines that just kind of curve in and some that go down to kind of show where the body is. We'll add some little curved lines for the claws. And some more down here. I always like to add an extra line or two just to make it look like the claws are sitting in there. Then I'm just going to come in here and add just a few little extra lines, just in a few little details for some spots. We can make some curved lines around here for the knees, a few curved lines for the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a level 40 Pteranodon from Jurassic World the Game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.